So, Human Technopole will focus on human biology with an intention to make a long-term contribution to the understanding of human health and human well-being. In order to do this, our initial focus will be in certain areas of research. We'll have some research on human genomics, in other words, the study of the genomes and the gene products of human beings and how they vary. We will look at aspects of neuroscience, including looking at some types of neurodegenerative disease. We will engage in structural biology because structures of biological molecules enable us to gain an understanding of how they function, but of also how to affect their function. And sometimes affecting their function can contribute to, for example, the development of drugs that can be effective in helping to ameliorate certain diseases. And of course, we will do a lot of computational work. Research in the life sciences today generates very large quantities of data. It's essential to be able to deal with big data and to be able to analyze and create information from these large quantities of data. And we will do this in various ways. Finally, there will be a center for what's called the Center for Analysis, Decisions and Society, which will also be based on analysis of large quantities of data. But in this case, we will be looking specifically at the healthcare system, how data can help us to improve the healthcare system and to assess how well the healthcare system is changing and what the effects of changes that are made to healthcare are on the population. How will we pursue these areas? We will develop research centers in each of the topics that I've just mentioned. The people within those will work together. And in certain areas, we will create facilities that will not only serve the research within Human Technopole, but also will be available to members of the scientific community outside Human Technopole, mainly coming from Italy. We also would like to develop programs for training, so courses and workshops for people who will come to Human Technopole to learn about new aspects of research information, but also how to use different technologies. And finally, we will have visitors programs so that people can come to work in Human Technopole for a certain period of time with the agreement of their home institution. So there will be a diverse number of ways in which we will interact here on site with members of the scientific community. In addition, of course, we will go out and try to collaborate with and work together with institutions and people within the Italian scientific community in many different ways.